3, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Hey, hold on. Do you consider yourself a helpful person? I think you are. I know you are. So if you do, please give this course a good review. The more great reviews I get, the more people that this reaches. I put hours of my day into this course to give you the best content. I gave you all the knowledge needed to be successful. I didn't leave anything out. I have no upsell courses. I let you know everything. I even built an account from 0 sales to over $800 in sales while doing this course. As you can tell, the first video only has 200 in sales, and the last video has around 800 in sales. And this is while doing the video, and this is the same account. And this is just to show you that it really works. I can guarantee you, any other course on Udemy would not do that. They would give you a skeleton or whatever it is, and then you'll join their group, and then they'll upsell you. Hey, look what my new students are doing with this advanced knowledge, and that's how they get you. I'm giving you everything. This is the only course I have. Same price. I know you are taking notes and thinking about how you're going to kill it on Amazon. I also know you are telling your friends about the course and you're racing them to see who gets to $1,000 in sales first. But if you can take 30 seconds out of your busy day to leave me a review, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you.